Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can add page border in Microsoft Word professionally. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Now let's start. Go to design. Here we have page borders. For example, you select this type of box or this shadow or this one. For example, I selected the shadow. Here you can select the type or style of the line. I selected this one. Color, for example, I selected the blue one. Width, let's be this width. Here you can select arts. For example, you see how it appear. I don't need. Okay. Now the thickness is updated. Okay. Color, blue color, great. Now, if you want to remove a side, it removes the border at the top side, this one at the bottom side, this one at the left, and this one at the right. You can select only the upper border and lower border. I select all. Okay, you can apply to whole document here. If I select whole document, you see the pages. Okay, now I have page border in page 1, in page 2, in page 3. Again, go to page border. If you want to select to only the first page. Now you see only page 1 has border, page 2 and page 3 has no border. If you want to add page border for all except first page, select this one, this section, all except first page. Okay, you see first page has no page border, but page 2 and page 3 has border. Also, we have another option. Here you can apply to the sections, just section. However, I didn't apply section for this pages, that's why I can't use it. For example, you want to remove the page border, just select none and OK, you remove page border. That is a way to add page border professionally. Have a nice day.